Asam pedas served in a clay pot is quite rare to find unless the restaurant specifically prepares it in a clay pot for its visitors. The idea of cooking food in a clay pot has been around for a long time and has been adapted for various types of dishes, but not all restaurants offer clay pot cooked meals. The Andak Claypot Asam Pedas restaurant is located in Kampung Kuantan, Klang Selangor, near the Kampung Kuantan Mosque in Klang Selangor. This Claypot Asam Pedas establishment has been in operation for over 15 years, and its owner is Mr. Oli, a member of the Heavy Machine Group, who was once popular for the song Gelombang Cinta in the past. It is no surprise that this restaurant is decorated with vintage musical instruments and set against the backdrop of a traditional Malay house, as the owner has a deep passion for the arts. Apart from Asam Pedas dishes such as stingray and beef tetel, the restaurant also offers other delicious menu items like sizzling noodles, spicy chicken rice, petai prawns, and many more. The uniqueness of Claypot Asam Pedas Andak lies in its village-like atmosphere, as it is built on land featuring a traditional Malay house that is over 100 years old. This Asam Pedas recipe originates from Muar Johor, which makes it well-loved and widely accepted by the people of Selangor. The unique taste of Asam Pedas from southern Malaysia has its own distinct deliciousness. When cooked in a clay pot, the dish retains heat for a longer period compared to when it is cooked in a regular pot or wok.